look like a cure for AIDS. Hey guys, it's your girl pretty girl Girlie and I'm here with a brand new video. Welcome back to my channel. And next week to be grateful for, and you know how we roll. Anyways, so your girl is here looking all soft as we're in our software era, and this video is sponsored by Stacy Lash Care. So let's get into this box and see what's happening, because somewhere or somehow I am wondering where are my lashes. Like, when I really realize say my lashes them is this short or this thin until I get this box. So let's get into this kit and see what's happening. We got a lash shampoo. This shampoo, no irritation or burning, gentle care for salon and home use. So I can do it in my yard, I have to come out. You understand? Yeah. Foam lash cleanser and eye makeup remover for extension service and aftercare. So if you do your makeup, you can use it for wipe off the eye and clean up the, for the essentials there. There's no bacteria, no product left on your eye, because you know the eye infection or anything. So they say. So this is how it stays and so forth. And you also get a brush to do the cleaning. So we can try. The brush is so soft, like, ooh, I feel like I want to use the brush now. See, you can see there's a little bit of particles, so it's necessary to do this thing. Then use warm water to wash the area. What do you call this again? I don't remember, but this is the cutest one I've seen so far. Like, this is literally so girly and cute. Like it's so cute. Here's it. It's so cute. Like, look at the top. The top, it has a diamond like, super cute. And you can keep, normally you have these, you don't have a container to keep it in, so you use it out, that's for sure. But this one, it actually has a storage section and it is so cute. I'm so in love with it. Like, yeah. And this uses the, and on top of the pyramid, we have the lash serum. So this serum, it helps to groom and grow the lashes. Like, as I say, my lash them literally gone, and like, we don't even know when they're gone, but they're gone, and I need to get them back. So like, Stacy hooked me up really good. So let's get into it and see what's happening. So put this open. When I open it, you know what it look like? It look like the cure for AIDS or the cure for blindness.
What? What the fuck?
It looks so cute. Like, I'm loving it already. So let's see what's happening. So this is it. Super cute. Super loving it. So this is it. So it's actually a serum. It's good for grooming. As I said, it's good for grooming. It's good. It helps your eyelashes grow. And like I can't wait for have my eyelash them all blinky again. Blink. Yes. So just check out Stacy Lash. Our website will be down in my description below, and also our Instagram page, Fusion Lashes. You can check it out. If you wear Fusion Lashes or not, you can check it out because they go well with Fusion Lashes also. So This is the Stacy lashes.